Is your HP laptop camera not working on Windows 11? Here are 4 solutions to resolve it. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security Camera. Ensure camera access is enabled for your device and apps. Search for your laptop manufacturer's website. For example, Dell, HP. Download and install the official camera driver from their site. Search and open Device Manager. Expand Cameras, right-click your camera, and select Update Device. Do not check the checkbox. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Close and reopen the app or restart your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.